Hello, my name is Nehal Purandare and I am a mechanical engineer from Siagat Institute and Technology, recently passed out from Pune University with distinction. There is so much to talk about IKSC. I had joined it on 1st of August. And before coming to IKSC, I was very confused about job. Will I get the job or in which area I would have to work? So this tension of mine was lowering my confidence day by day, which was eating my mind. One day I got a call from IKSC. Atul Patil sir asked me to come for an interview. So I came here just because I was learning CATIA. I wanted to go into designing. So he asked me questions like what is BIW, what is A pillar, what is B pillar. I couldn't answer any of them. But after 3 months training in IKSC, I'm very sure that I can answer many technical questions which a freshers can't. So also I have given a psychometric test which lowered my tension and confusion about the job. Based on that results of psychometric test, I have chosen my career path as automotive crash analysis. And after 3 months training in the same area, I am very passionate to go in vehicle safety and kick-starting my career in the same area. Also, I feel very proud to say that I've placed in Brose India, which is a German multinational company. It's everybody's dream to get placed in multinational company. But off campus, it is very hard to get placed into the same. But I have realized my dream just because of Atul Patil sir and IKSC. He is highly motivated person and highly inspired person, and he made me to be the same. So when I see myself before 3 months and see now, I think I have completely grown in terms of knowledge, in terms of abilities, learning abilities, how to behave in a corporate world, which words should I use and which words I shouldn't use. So I think it helped me very much. Also, we have meetings on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In that, we have presentations on material. We all give presentations on material, projects, long-term and short-term projects, and we talk about Six Sigma. So these sessions help me very much in my interview questions, because I've been asked to draw a stress strain diagram of steel. So I could tell the answers including yield stress and ultimate tensile stress values of steel. So it helped me very much. To sum up in the best possible way I can, I have learned many things in IKSC. I have completely outgrown. I have become a very confident person because of the soft skills which I have learned over here in IKSC. There is complete conceptual understanding of SOM, finite element analysis and vibrations. I have learned many softwares as ANSA, LS-DYNA, HyperMesh, CATIA structural analysis, NFX, etc. There are additional skills as Six Sigma, Microsoft project. I know how to use PowerPoint in the best possible way. So these skills made me to be resourceful in the industry. So strive for my passion and sir's help in building my career has really given a fruitful result that have been placed in Brose, India. So thank you so much for listening, and I'll suggest you to join IKSC, so it will definitely make you to be a good career. It's just not a career, it will help you to make a good career. So thank you.